Welcome back. Let us continue. P, Q and R invested rupees 45,000, rupees 70,000 and rupees 90,000 respectively to start a business. At the end of 2 years, they earned a profit of 1,64,000. What will be Q's share in the profit? Okay. So here all have invested for the same period of time. There is no variation in the time period of investment. Okay. The ratio of P, Q, R is equal to 45,000, 70,000 and 90,000. Okay. So when we want to write in ratios, we can write it as 45 is to 70 is to 90. Again we can divide by 5. This will be 9. This will be 1, 4. 14 is to, when we divide this by 5, it will be 18. Okay. So this is the ratio. So at the end of 2 years, they earned a profit total is equal to 164,000. Q share will be equal to 14 divided by sum of these three numbers, that is 14 divided by 9 plus 14 plus 18 into total profit. This is equal to 14 by 14 and 18 is 32, 32 plus 9 is 41 into 164,000. I think 164 will be going 4 times in 41. So this will be 4,000. Okay. So 14 into 4,000 is 4 4s are 16, 1 4 is 4, 5. So Q's share will be 56,000. The answer is B. Okay. Next question. The ratio of investments of two partners A and B is 11:12 and the ratio of their profits is 2:3. If A invested the money for 8 months, then for how much time B invested this money? Okay. So here the time periods are different. So A share divided by B share is equal to A capital divided by B capital into time period. So A time by B time. Okay, we can write this like this. So the ratio of the investments are 11:12 and the ratio of their profits are 2:3. Therefore, 2 by 3 is equal to 11 by 12 into A's time is 8 months. Let B's time be X months. So we shall find out X from this. Okay, we can divide here. This will be 4 times and this will be 4 times. Again this will get cancelled. So X is equal to 11. So it is B 11 months. So here we have to know that the share of a particular person is proportional to capital invested into time period of holding. So we have divided as per this and then found out the value of X is equal to 11 months. Okay. Next question. A, B and C start a business, each investing 20,000. After 5 months, A withdrew 5,000, B withdrew 4,000 and C invests 6,000 more. At the end of the year, a total profit of 16,900 was recorded. Find the share of each. Okay. So A has invested 20,000 for 5 months. Okay. Then after 5 months, he withdrew 5,000 from the capital. So his remaining capital is 20,000 minus 5,000, that is 15,000 for a period of 7 months, because we are calculating for 1 year at the end of the year. So after 5 months, we have got remaining 7 months left. For the 7 months, he has left his capital of 15,000 in the total business. Okay, we shall find this first. This will be 20,000 into 5. This is 1 lakh. Again, this will be 5 sevens are 35, 3, 1 7 is 7, 8 9 10, 105 followed by 3 zeros. This is equal to 205 followed by 3 zeros. Okay, this is A's investment, that is product of capital and time they were holding in the business. B has invested 20,000 for 5 months. After 5 months, he has withdrawn 4,000. So this balance will be 16,000, which is left out for 7 months. Again, this will be 1 lakh plus this will be 6 sevens are 42, 4, 1 7 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11. 000. So this will be 212,000. C. So C has invested 20,000 initially till 5 months. We shall write that. Plus he has invested 6,000 more. That is, the capital left out is 26,000 for remaining period of 7 months. Okay. So we shall calculate this. This is 1 lakh plus 6 sevens are 42, 4, 2 sevens are 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, followed by 000. So this is equal to 282,000. The value will be product of months and amount. Okay. So the share will be calculated based on the ratio of this value. That is, A share is to B share is to C share will be equal to 205 is to 212 is to 282. We can ignore the last 3 zeros. That is, we can divide 1000 throughout for all 3 cases so that we can keep the ratio simple. So the ratios of A, B and C profit is 205 is to 212 is to 282. I don't think we can simplify this further. So we shall find out the share of each. So A share will be 205 divided by sum of these 3 values. That is 205 plus 212 plus 282. Let us calculate this. 205, 212, 282. This will be 9, this will be 9, this will be 6. So this is equal to 205 by 699. Similarly, B share will be 212 by 699 and C share will be 282 by 699. So this is the ratio in which the 3 shares are divided. The total profit is 69,900. So for A, we will get 205 by 699 into 69900. So this will be 100. So this is equal to 20,500. Similarly for B, it will be 212,000. C, it will be 282,000. So the final profits will be 20,500 for A, 21,200 for B and 28,200 for C. So the answer is C. Next question. 4 milkmen rented a pasture. A grazed 24 cows for 3 months, B 10 cows for 5 months and C 35 cows for 4 months and D 21 cows for 3 months. If A's share is 720, find the total rent of the field. Okay. So A's consumption is 24 into 3. B is 10 into 5. C is 35 into 4 and D is 21 into 3. So this will be 4 3s are 12, 1 2 3s are 6, 7 and this will be 50. Next is 5 4s are 20, 2 3 4s are 12, 13 14 and next is 3 6 63. So this is the ratio by which the rent should be shared. That is, A is to B is to C is to D is as 72 is to 50 is to 140 is to 63. Okay. If A's share is 720, find the total rent of the field. So A's share is equal to 72 by sum of these 4 values, 72 plus 50 plus 140 plus 63. So it will be 72 50. This is 122, again 140. This is 262, again 63. This will be 5 2 1 325. So this is equal to 72 by 325. Okay. So let the total rent be X. A's rent is 72 by 325 X, which is equal to 720. So it means X is equal to 10 into 325, which is equal to 3250. The answer is B, 3250. So the X value is 3250, which is equal to the total rent. Answer is B. Next question. Prakash, Sachin and Anil started a business jointly investing 11 lakh, 16.5 lakh and 8.5 lakh respectively. The profit earned by them in the business at the end of 3 years was 19.5 lakhs. What will be 50% of Anil share in the profit? Since here the total time period of investment for all of them is same, that is 3 years. So we can keep the ratio with respect to the capital. That is, let me write as P is to S is to A is equal to 11 is to 16.5 is to 8.25. So we shall change the numbers to integers. So the common multiple will be 4. So this will be 11 into 4 is to 16.5 into 4 is to 8.25 into 4. This will be 44. I am multiplying by 4 because the least value is 0.25 here. So 0.25 into 4 will be 1. So we can remove the decimals here. So 16 into 4 is 64 plus 0.5 into 4 is 2. So 64 plus 2 will be 66. Okay. 8 4s are 32. 0.25 into 4 is equal to 1. So 32 plus 1. This is equal to 33. So we can divide by 11 in common. So this will be 4 is to 6 is to 3. Okay. The total profit is 19.5 lakhs. So Anil share will be equal to 3 by sum of these, that is 4 plus 6 plus 3 is 13. Okay. So total profit, if you keep it as x, Anil's profit will be 3 by 13 x. They are saying the total profit is 19.5 lakhs, that is x is equal to 19.5. So we can calculate Anil's share. This is 3 by 13 into 19.5. 19.5 is nothing but 13 plus 6.5. So 13 will go 1 times for this one, and then this will be 0.5. So we can divide this as 1.5. So 3 into 1.5 is 4.5. So total Anil share is 4.5 lakhs. But they are asking 50% of Anil share. 50% Anil share will be half of this, that is 4.5 divided by 2. This is equal to 2.25 lakhs. So the answer is A, 2.25, and not D, 4.5 lakhs. Answer is A. Okay, we shall finish the remaining problems in next lecture. Thank you.